Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Create Similar and how to use it. Let's get started. One of the useful tools to use in Revit is Create Similar. It is located under Modify tab. At the moment, it is grayed out as we haven't selected any element to use. So for example, I'm going to select this wall. This wall is basic wall interior wall number 1. So instead of going to architecture again, selecting the wall, and then scrolling down and look for interior wall number 1, it is faster to just selecting the wall again and then clicking on Create Similar. And then after that, you'll be able to add in the wall like so. So again, I'm going to select this. And now you can use the shortcut CS. And then once you do that, you can also add in the wall. So let's press Escape. You can also select windows, and then you can also select doors. So right now I'm selecting the door that I want to copy. So I'm going to press CS for Create Similar, and then you'll be able to add the door like so. You can also select stairs. So once you press CS, you'll be able to add in a stairs again. So this command or tool is very useful, especially when you're modifying or adding more stuff that you already added, and it will save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.